AI attacks are on the rise. Every day we are hearing about a lot of bad actors getting activated in the realm of generative AI. Just today I did another video on fraud GPT, which is quite scary as it can not only leak your sensitive information, but it can also direct user into the harmful way. This product from Bosch, AIShield, is aiming at protecting organizations from AI attacks. AIShield is a comprehensive AI security product for organizations which are running AI workloads. Now, the good news is that if you are training, evaluating, or running your models in AWS SageMaker, you can integrate this AI Shield, which is from Bosch, into your AWS SageMaker domains. This can help you in protecting against AI attacks. Now, if you're looking to do your model evaluation or your model operational, then you can integrate your AI Shield after your model validation and prior to the deployment. So what happens is that AI Shield offers an API-based AI security vulnerability assessment, which can be used in the development workflow by developers to assess the security posture of your AI applications. And I will show you shortly a code chunk which you can embed in your API calls to enable this AI Shield. Before I show you that code chunk, let me quickly give you a peek of this AI Shield dashboard. If you see this AI Shield dashboard, it provides you visualization on the overall security posture, analytics on the outcomes, and AI security licenses usages, which can help lead to better model governance practices. Now let me show you the code chunk which you can embed to activate AI Shield. This is the code which you can use in your API calls when you are using AI models to use AI Shield. First, you need to subscribe to AI Shield, and then AI Shield API can be initialized by providing the necessary parameters, which are like this URL and also your org ID. Once that's done, you can simply call this AI Shield IPs client. To leverage AIShield's model vulnerability analysis, the necessary data, labels, and model files are provided to AIShield, which are securely stored in the S3 bucket with a pre-signed URL. AIShield adopts a low data and no model approach, typically using a representative sample of 2 to 5% of the data set to generate test reports and assess model performance, which I showed you in your browser, where it will be giving you the outcome. So this is it, guys. If you are using AWS SageMaker or any other tool to evaluate, train, and run the AI models, then it is always a good idea to use AI Shield or any similar tool to make sure that your models are foolproof and there are no harmful things attached to them. Thank you.